In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok's seller account. If you're running into issues with your TikTok Shop seller account, like product listings showing as unapproved or updates not reflecting, this walkthrough will help you get back on track quickly and safely. We'll follow a simple process to refresh your account connection, then verify whether the problem is resolved, and finally, I'll tell you what to do if it isn't. Start by opening the TikTok app and accessing your TikTok Shop account. Make sure you're on the correct profile that manages your shop. The goal here is to prompt TikTok to resync your seller information so any stuck statuses, such as an unapproved product listing, have a chance to update. Next, give the app a moment to refresh everything. Think of this as allowing TikTok Shop to reload your seller data. A brief pause helps the system recheck your shop status and listing details. If you've recently made changes to product information, this refresh can help the app reflect those changes accurately. Now, tap the shop icon on the app's main navigation. From there, go to My Account. Inside My Account, look for Seller Profile. This is where your seller details and connected accounts live. Open Seller Profile and find the option to unlink your accounts. Go ahead and unlink, then link the account again right away. This disconnect and reconnect step is like restarting a connection. It resolves many syncing issues behind the scenes. As you relink, make sure you select the same account or store you were using. Take a moment to confirm that your seller details look correct. When the link is restored, return to your product listings and check the status of the items that were causing trouble. If the issue was a temporary sync problem, you should now see updated statuses, smoother access to your seller tools, and fewer error prompts. If you're still experiencing problems after relinking, especially if product listings remain unapproved without a clear reason, it's time to reach out to customer support. Use the official TikTok support channels and briefly explain what you tried, that you opened your TikTok Shop account, refreshed, navigated to seller profile, unlinked, relinked, and then checked your listings. Having that summary ready helps support pinpoint the issue faster, whether it's a policy review, a missing detail on a listing, or a system-related delay. That's it. Follow these steps to refresh your TikTok Shop connection, verify your listings, and contact support if needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets your seller account running smoothly again.